In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create isometric text and align it with isometric views in AutoCAD. When you're labeling an isometric drawing, regular horizontal text can look out of place. The trick is simple. Rotate your text so it visually matches the isometric plane you're drawing on. There's no special isometric text tool. It's just text placed at the right rotation. Start by launching the text command. Type text or dtext in the command line and press enter. Both commands create single line text and work the same way for this purpose. AutoCAD will guide you through the usual prompts, and the key one here is the rotation. That's where the alignment magic happens. For the rotation angle, use the value that matches the isoplane you want. If your elements are on the right isoplane, enter 30 degrees. If you're aligning to the left isoplane, enter 330 degrees, which is the same as -30. And if you need the text to align with the top isoplane, use 90 degrees. These angles correspond to the visual slopes of the isometric axes and ensure your labels look like they belong on that face of the drawing. A quick note about angles in AutoCAD: they're measured counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. That's why 330 degrees is equivalent to rotating -30 degrees. If your text leans the wrong way, you likely picked the opposite isoplane angle. Just cancel and try the other value. Once you've entered the correct rotation, type your text and press enter to finish. AutoCAD will use your current text style, height, and justification. So if those are already set to your drawing standards, your label will drop in cleanly and consistently. If you're working with annotation scales, make sure your current scale is appropriate before you start so your text appears at the intended size. Here are a few quick checks to keep in mind as you place your label. If the geometry on your screen slopes up to the right, you're on the right isoplane and 30 degrees will look correct. If it slopes up to the left, use 330 or -30. If you're looking at a top face, such as a hatch or grid viewed isometrically, 90 degrees will align vertically with that orientation. Also remember that these angles are relative to your current UCS. If you're working in a rotated UCS, the same numeric angles still apply relative to that orientation. That's all there is to it. Start text or dtext, enter the appropriate isometric rotation, type your label, and press enter to complete. Clean, aligned isometric text every time.